Now these black-eyed pea fritter cakes, you can always go to the pantry and pull out a can of black-eyed peas. It's been seasoned with like ham hock. You can buy these at the grocery store, probably 79 cents a can. So they're very, very reasonable. Now to these black-eyed peas, I'm gonna add about a half a cup of bacon that's been cooked crisp. All right, next I'm gonna add 1/3 of a cup of roasted red peppers. This is coming straight out of a jar that I bought at the grocery store. To make sure this binds together, I'm gonna come over here with a little flour that's been seasoned with salt and pepper. And before we finish mixing, I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna cut on our frying pan. And I'm gonna fry these in like 1/4 of a cup of oil, and I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons or a heaping tablespoon of butter and let those flavors mix together, because the butter is gonna give them just an added richness. So I'm just gonna form these into patties, and now I'm just gonna dust the outside with just a little bit of our seasoned flour. But I'm gonna kind of do these oval shaped. Just like that. I don't want anybody confusing them with salmon croquette. Now I'm just going to drop those right in our pan. Our oil and our butter has gotten hot. And I'm just going to slip those right in there. Let's check our black-eyed peas and see how they look. Oh, and they look beautiful. They're looking just near about perfect. Now, the reason I cut that all with some butter, because butter burns rather quickly. I wanted the flavor of that butter, but I didn't want to have to worry about our black-eyed pea fritters burning. So there we go. I've squished them down some, flattened them out. Okay. So I'm going to take our fritters up. All right, so let's fix us a plate. The black-eyed pea fritters don't look half bad themselves. Top of that fish, and I can see that bacon in those black-eyed peas. I wish y'all were here. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.